How to design a journal in Canva. Alright, so let's dive in. First of all, open your Canva website. Now here, click on create on the left side. Okay, now type on the search bar journal. Okay, now make sure you have selected this template journal. Click on it. Now go on the left side, click on templates, and here describe your design. So I'm gonna type here simple and minimalist. Okay, press enter. As you can see, select whatever template you like. These are all pro, so if you are on the pro version you can access these templates, but if you're not, you can just go with the free one. So I'm gonna go with this one, today's canvas. Okay, as you can see, this one looks promising. So if you want to change the name, you can change it to my daily journal. Okay, you can adjust the size. Now as you can see, intention and mindset, you can write here 3 things to do daily, and you can write here 3 habits to follow daily, and self-care, mind and speed checklist, mood of the day. So overall you can adjust all these settings, all these text line according to your preference. You can also add some pages if you want. So these are the things, depends on you. You just have to go on Canva, select journal template, click on template and select the template you like, and just customize the template according to your preference. So that's it. That's how you can make journal on Canva. Now after that, just go on top right, click on share. Here click on see all, and now here type print. After that, click on use my printer, and you can just print your journal. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.